Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved page fault in non-paged area blue screen in Windows 10. Right-click this PC properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Check No Paging File. Click OK. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Click Restart Now. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type sfc/scan now. Type exit from command window. Third method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. chkdsk/f /x/r/c:. Type Y to continue. Type exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.